you're going to want to use the crank on your machine to find the first peg. Now on the Sentro machine, the first peg is going to have number 1 on here. It's going to each peg has a number on it, and also it's going to show a white peg right here, which is going to indicate your last row. So to begin, my project is going to be done on tube, T for tube setting, because that's what my project is my pattern is going to call for. So with knowing that this white the peg is the last one, which would be peg 48, I'm going to start with peg 1 here, and we are not using this threader. We're just going to put it, we're going to take our material, and I like to personally put it in the middle here when doing cast-ons, but not when working with the project. I'll usually move my material over to the side, and I'm going to leave a tail, however long that you would like, 10 inches, 15, okay, and so now we have the tail in here, and we have our material down here, and we're going to place our thread into the machine. So I'm going to put this material into the machine right here and make sure that this goes under the hook right here, like that, under this hook right here, and that's how you want it to look. And then you're going to crank the handle, and then on the next peg you're going to go over, you're going to have the material on this side. You're not going to put it into the hook like how you did here. With doing the cast on, we have again the material in here and into the bottom of this hook, and then we are going, I changed the angle so hopefully you can see this well, and then we're just going to crank the handle, turn it, okay, and then we're putting this over the hook here on this side. Okay, so that it would be peg number 2, and then peg number 3 is going to go into the front of the hook, just like that, and then over, and then you're going to be repeating this until you get to the end of your round, your 48 pegs. Just finished the cast on. Now you want to think, what is this going to look like before you start round 1? And you're going to want, I'll show you how this is going to look. See how you have this thread going across 2 pegs? Well, that's how you want it to look. You want it to look like you have thread going across the 2 pegs on the bottom. That's the look that you're going to have when this is completed, and you'll know that this has been done correctly. You have your thread down here at the bottom, and it's going across 2 pegs like that, and then a little bit of space, and then across 2 pegs, and a little bit of a space, and across 2 pegs. That's how you know that you have done this correctly. And if you're enjoying my music, this is from my main page, Tiffany Juliet, where I have my beautiful harp music and cooking recipes and ASMR videos. And it is very nice to listen to my music while you are using your knitting machine or crocheting or knitting or loom knitting. It's very relaxing with scenic pictures of the Caribbean, and it's just very nice to listen to and watch.